Hi guys! So it's time for another to buy or not to buy video. This is where I do mini reviews of many things. Let's get started. Number one is my Dyson V11 cordless vacuum cleaner. Now, you guys saw this on my Instagram and the amount of requests I have gotten to review this thing are crazy. I love this. It's like my newest toy. Okay, on a more serious note, I'm going to tell you guys how this works and why you should get it. So as you can see, this is the basic body of the vacuum cleaner. It has an actual cord with a stand which you want to charge it. So you charge it for about 3 to 4 hours. I think it gives you about 40-45 minutes of usage depending on the mode that you use. There are 3 modes here, and basically all you gotta do is kind of change the nozzles and press the button. It's that simple. But this thing is tiny, but it is powerful. Oh my god. So I've cleaned my whole house with it. I can do my whole house, which is a 2 BHK, in about say 20-30 minutes, like the whole house with just this guy. If you're someone who likes to clean, this is amazing. You will love this. What I love about this is how cool it looks. Firstly, it looks like it's something that's popped out of the future. It's really cool looking, and I just love how convenient it is because it's cordless and you can just like clean blinds, you can clean anything with it. Super easy to use. And I had a similar version with a cord which was by another brand, and it was absolute crap. Like, this cleans about 3,000 times better than that. Like, that was just rotting, and then I was just like, okay, the minute I got this, I've become a complete vacuum person and I've been cleaning the house. So you have different handles for the floor, for carpets, for curtains, for nets, for delicate items like your laptop, basically everything. Okay, now this is pricey, I agree with you on that, but it is totally worth it if you're someone who likes a clean house. Also, the other thing I feel with Bombay homes is they're very dusty. Like, this house particularly is really dusty. You will see as I'm using the machine and the amount of dust that comes out of everything. It's crazy. Our mattresses are dusty, our upholstery is dusty, and I just feel like you can't really clean those items without a vacuum cleaner. So everybody does kind of need a vacuum cleaner. And with this one, because it's cordless, it's just so convenient and so easy to use that you end up doing it more often. So now once a week we sit down and we do this, and it takes less than 20-30 minutes and the whole house is done. And you get rid of all the dust and allergens, which is amazing. Also, it gives you an indicator of the kind of like filth in your house, which is really scary, but it's amazing to get it all cleaned up. So there's 2 versions. There's the gold version and the blue one. The gold version is 59,900 and the blue version is 52,900. I would totally say it's worth it if you're someone who loves a clean house and you clean your house regularly. Totally worth it. The other thing that I really loved about Dyson was that any Dyson product that you buy, it comes with a demo. So there's a person who will come to your house, show you how to use the product. Also they have an option to get a demo before you buy the product on their website, which I think is really cool. Like, you can sign up for the demo. I kind of realized that when I was doing research for this video. Anybody can sign up for the demo and you do not have to buy the product. They just come, show you how it works, and then you can decide if you want to buy it or not. Which I think is really important in these kind of situations, because you want to see if the product is for you, how it works, and you actually want to test it in your house. So I think that's a real big plus for me. So guys, definitely to buy. Up next, we have this cleaning compound gel I bought from Miniso. Now, every time I walk into Miniso, I buy things that I do not need, like this. So this is supposed to be a cleaning compound gel to clean your devices like your laptop and whatever. But when I bought it and I took it out from the box, I realized it is just slime. It's adult slime. And it's just wet and gooey, and I do not think it cleans anything. Like, I rubbed it on my laptop, but it was left with this wet residue, and it's supposed to grab the dirt from between the things, but it did nothing, and now it's just a pudgy piece of slime that I own. So Yeah, this was nearly, I think, 200 rupees, and I think I mainly bought it because I saw the color and I thought it looked great. I thought it would work, but it's just slime. It's slime. I'm going to give this to my nephews to play with because clearly this is a not to buy. Okay, up next we have something we're going to try in today's video. It's the Taco Paw one-shot nose pack. It sounds really like heavy duty, but it is basically from Tony Moly or Tony Moly. I don't know what it is. It's Korean, and I got this off Nykaa and I said I'm gonna try it. It's 150 rupees for just a one-time use mask type thingamajig. It's supposed to get all your blackheads off, and it's for this, basically this area, and the directions are pretty simple. You just got to wet your nose, peel it off, not your nose, the thing, and put it on, and in 15 minutes go chick. Let's see if it works. Okay, so it's kind of like this. I'm going to wet my nose with a cotton pad. Okay, here we go. Gonna wet it some more, and now we have this unflattering look for the next 15 minutes. Wonderful. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. It's more or less dried. It's just really sticky. Like, I'm going to show you guys a close-up of this. Like, my fingers, it's like someone's put glue on my fingers. That's how sticky it is. So I'm guessing that's how it's going to be on my nose. Let's see how this works. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I don't feel like that pulled out anything. Okay, this is one of the worst blackhead strips I have ever used, and the sticky residue is on my nose now. It's like, can you see that? It's like waxing my nose with my finger. Eeks! Definitely not to buy. Never again. Up next, we have something I've been using for a few weeks. It's this electric toothbrush by OralB, and this was recommended by my dentist. Now, I've been actually always have thought of shifting to like an electric toothbrush where I think, oh, but they used to be so expensive as far as I can remember. And then suddenly my dentist was like, what are you talking about? You get this one for like 300 and something and it's amazing. So I was like, okay, you guys know how you brush your teeth. I'm just going to like dry brush to show you guys how this works. So it has this head like this, and it just... so easy. And you can actually reach like areas that you would never reach, like the back of your teeth, the last few teeth. It's so easy with this rotating head. And I just feel like it cleans your mouth a lot more than your usual toothbrush. Also, if you have gums that bleed, it's great because you're putting less pressure and you're not doing like, it's just like so it's a lot like less harsh on your teeth and your gums and whatever, and it's just cheap. You also get these heads, like the head to change it, so when you're done, that was the first question. I was like, when I went to the chemist and bought it, I was like, so what happens after 3 months, like when you change your toothbrush, what do you do? And he was like, oh, you get replaceable heads for this, so you can just change the head and the body stays the same, and it works on a battery. So you unscrew this thing here and you have a battery here. So yeah, I mean, I think it's really, really efficient, does the job, great for the price. It's just 300, I think, and something on discount on Amazon, which is really, really cool. So definitely to buy. So guys, those are all the items I'm going to review for you guys today. If you guys want me to review anything, services, items, put them in the comments and I will try and get my hands on them. Also check out my last video here, subscribe here, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.